What's up guys, Torrin here with Exquisite Sounds Entertainment. We've got another behind the scenes look at one of our venues. Again, tonight we are here at Ashton Gardens right here in Sugar Hill, Georgia. I know some of you that we've met at the wedding show said we were thinking about Ashton Gardens or looking at Ashton Gardens, and we wanted to put something together the next time we were here, which is tonight, to show you a little behind the scenes. Now I can tell you here at Ashton Gardens they have an amazing chapel. They've got 2 spaces for the reception where they'll split the ballroom in half. We've been fortunate to do both sides, one side or the other, the morning wedding, the afternoon. It's an absolutely great space. If you're thinking about checking it out, I'd highly advise it. And again, this is Ashton Gardens right here in Sugar Hill. And I'm Torrin with Exquisite Sounds Entertainment.